Hey everyone, I'm Curnock and this is my Evil Insurgent LS. First off, we've got DVO suspension, air shock in the back, Chromag components throughout, super easy, profile hubs, titanium spokes which are a little bit different, just to save a little bit of weight for bar spins and tail whips. So I run one brake, I run Lewis brakes, the LHT, it's their 4-piston. The reason I run just one brake is for bar spins and tail whips, so it keeps it out of the way for when I'm catching. I normally run a detangler, like a hydraulic gyro, just taking that off because I put gears on. Yeah, it's pretty sweet for kind of the free ride, slopeduro kind of style. This tyre I run is an Icon. It's like a semi-slick kind of dirt jumpy style tyre. For the jumps it's so awesome, it rolls super fast, and again it's super lightweight. PSIs I put 50 in the back and 50 in the front, so it's pretty even and it's, yeah. I kind of run my suspension super firm as well. I have it maxed out in the front. DVO do a pretty cool tune for me. They add a little bit of oil, super firm, rebound slow. Same as in the back, 300 PSI, 2 tokens in the positive chamber, 2 tokens in the negative chamber. Pretty much locked out all the time. So it's basically a 180mm, 170mm dirt jumper, which is sick, free ride useful. So I also run a rubber crank stopper in between the chainring and the BB. So it basically means that my cranks don't spin when I take my feet off, which is pretty awesome. Yeah, tail whips again. You do a tail whip and your cranks are up like this, it's going to be really shitty to try and catch your feet. So yeah, keep them nice and stiff. That's my kind of free duro slope ride bike. Yeah, subscribe, like this video, and kind of tell me what makes your ride so special for how you ride it. Peace!